Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be bringing you along for a room tour of my Riverview room at Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter. If you've watched some of the vlogs from our trips, you know that this is my favorite moderate resort in Walt Disney World. The cobblestone streets, lamplights, and Sassagoula River are just some of the reasons that I love coming back to this resort to relax after a long day in the parks. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kayla. I share travel and lifestyle content with the goal of helping you and your families have amazing vacations filled with memories that will last a lifetime. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you know when I post additional videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching. It really does help support my channel. And without further ado, let's go check out the room. All right, we have made it to Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. Before we head into our room, I just wanted to give you an idea of the view that is outside of our room. It's a river view room. I love the cobblestone streets, the lamp lights, the amazing view of the Sassagoula River. So beautiful and relaxing. I love the touches of the ornate wrought iron. You really feel like you are in New Orleans. Perfect timing. This is one of the boats that takes you not only to the sister resort, Disney's Port Orleans Riverside, but also to Disney Springs. So I cannot wait to utilize that extra mode of transportation that you get here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. All right, our home away from the home for the next few days is going to be 6342. I did go ahead and check in using the mobile check-in, so I just have my Magic Band and we'll go ahead and get scanned in. All right, we are in our room now. We have our wonderful window with a river view. To give you an idea of what that looks like. Of course, every room is different, but I really love that this room gives us a touch of the wrought iron, the brick, the cobblestone, the amazing magnolia tree, as well as the beautiful view of the Sassagoula River. And then over here we have our mirror, table and 2 chairs. I love the touch of Mickey magic here with our beads. I know our son will have so much fun playing with those in just a little bit. Like I said before, we have a Riverview room with 2 queen beds. I love just the ornate detail in these rooms. The fleur-de-lis, I don't know if you can tell, with the lampshade. And over here we have our dresser. It has 3 dresser drawers, and then it also houses the mini fridge. And our TV, of course, with the schedule of all the things going on in Walt Disney World today. We do have our coffee maker, an assortment of coffee and tea, which you can't come to Disney and not drink coffee or tea to keep you through. I love that they've wrapped the remote for enhanced cleaning purposes. And I really love that these floors are hardwood, well, hardwood-esque versus the carpet. Next, I will show you the coat hangers, so plenty of space to hang towels, bags, purses, ponchos, all the things that might need to get hung up after a day at Disney, as well as a bench for extra storage or to place your luggage. Next, we will head into the bathroom. So here we have the curtain that divides the room from the bathroom, and we use this not only for privacy for the bathroom, but also to help with our son's nap during the day and at night after he goes to bed if we still want to stay up for a little bit. And I'll show you how we utilize that curtain once we get our room all set up. We have plenty of storage, extra blanket and pillows, plenty of hangers, and a nice added feature if you do need an iron or an ironing board, there is one here. I'm gonna try to keep myself out of the frame so you can really get a full picture of the room. There's a large mirror, plenty of space on the vanity and above the vanity to put all of your gadgets and gizmos aplenty, and a double sink, plenty of space down below to store things and for extra towels. And this is actually the area right here where we will put our son's pack and play. So I'll show you that here in just a bit. And over here on this side, we have the shower tub combination, the toilet. I love the tile, the detail in the border here. I just think they've done such a beautiful job with these rooms. And of course your full-length mirror here on the door to assist you in getting ready. As promised, here is kind of our setup for the room. Like I said, we will just pull this curtain for his naps and at bedtime to give him an extra dark place to sleep. And again, we put the pack and play, we just tuck it back in this corner right here. I did go ahead and put our Hiccapot mattress with our fitted sheet in it, and I really like the way it fits. It's very snug, and I'm excited for him to get to sleep on it tonight. So fingers crossed we all get a good night's sleep tonight. And yeah, if you have any questions about that, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I will have all of the vlogs from this trip linked below, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions about this room or Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter, be sure to leave those in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and become a member of our amazing YouTube community here at Main Street Through Your Eyes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.